Hi you guys, so today I am filming my January Sephora Play unboxing. I know it's a little bit later. I probably got the box about a week and a half ago, but I've just been too busy to sit down and open it on camera. Things have been crazy around my house. Just when I thought things were back to normal, my kids came home with pink eye. Yeah. So right now I've got two of my kids home, one with pink eye and the other one with, one with pink eye, an ear infection and possible strep throat, and another one that me and my husband are taking to stat care tonight because she just developed pink eye this morning and possibly has strep throat as well. So yeah, it's been over a solid month and a half of nothing but illness in my house. So yay. Anyway, let's get into this box. That's also why you'll probably notice I'm wearing the same outfit that I wore in the last video. I'm not sure which video is going up first. It's either this one or my NYX Love You So Mochi collection video. Yeah, because I've got to film 2 videos in one day because I think there's the only chance I'm going to have to film this week. So let's get into this box. Open it up, and this is what you got. Like always, we get a little poster that has all kinds of information about the products inside, and you get your Sephora Play card. Now, this is worth 50 extra Beauty Insider points with any purchase when you bring it into store. I've probably had this Sephora Play box for like a year and a half now, and I've never used this because you can't use it online. So, here is the bag. This is really cute. It's a little girl with a crown that says 2018, and it says Happy New Year. It's very cute. I love the blue. Right, so I'm just going to dive into this one product at a time. Let's see. Right, first up, we get a packet. Okay, so I've noticed that in the Sephora Play boxes recently, they haven't always been doing fragrance samples. I personally love the fragrance samples, but unfortunately, I don't think we're getting them every time now. Sometimes you're getting packets instead. So I'm guessing this is our little bonus. This is the Alterna Hair Care Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Perfector. So you use this after, you can use this when your hair is damp or dry. So I will give this a shot. I'll probably try this when my hair is dry, to be honest, and see how it does on dealing with the frizz and flyaways from all this new hair growth that I usually have to flat iron the daylights out of. So this I don't mind. Again, do I wish it wasn't a packet? Yeah, because the packets are a pain in the butt. Let's see what's next. Ooh, okay, we have a NARS product. This is a lipstick in Orgasm, which is one of their classic colors. I've never actually owned that blush, just because it's, I don't know, I've tried other blushes. And can I just say, I love how beautifully NARS packages their stuff. Like, there's no way that's getting damaged. Gorgeous, gorgeous, typical NARS packaging. And here is the lipstick. Really, really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that for you guys. This is a very light peachy tone, a little bit of shimmer in it, really pretty. I definitely like that, and I will wear that. I don't tend to wear oranges a lot because they don't go great with my skin tone, but I can pull off some peach tones, so I do like that. What's Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer? I've been dying to try this. Where is it? We have a problem. I got the card. There's no product in here, and there's no product in the bag. So, yeah, I I would love to try this, but I don't think I can. I think you can call Sephora if you're missing a product. So I think I'm going to have to make a phone call and let them know, because I really would love to try this. I've heard some great things about it. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, which you know I love. So yeah, moving on. Next up is the L'Occitane. I'm not sure how you pronounce this, which is funny because I can actually speak a little bit of French, but this is their Amande Concentré de lait milk concentrate with almond milk. See, this is okay. This melting cream helps the body to feel firmer and smoother. So this is a lotion. Let's smell this. Ooh, it smells very, very faintly of almonds, but it doesn't have that funky, you know how almond milk has that weird after smell to it? This doesn't have that. This just smells delicious, which means I am going to be, I know this is like a body cream, but I'm probably going to be hoarding this in my car and using it as a hand cream, because this smells amazing. And this is a really, really good size sample. You get 20 milliliters in here. It's 0.7 ounces. So just between a half ounce and a full fluid ounce, which is a really generous sample, especially from that caliber of company. Right, next up is the Clinique Pepster Eye Cream. Now, I have not had to buy an eye cream in months because I'm constantly getting one in like every other box. So I love Clinique products. I think they're amazing. This has a nice rounded tip to it. I'm guessing you're meant to apply it like that. I tend not to do that just for sanitary reasons. All right, it feels very, very light, and it's not sticky, which is nice. And it feels a little bit grabby once you start massaging it in, which is good. That means it's actually soaking into my skin. So I will give this a shot. I have not yet found an eye cream that I like wearing under makeup. And I know this one's supposed to be like a morning eye cream. So I really want to test this and see if it tends to ball up under makeup or not. Because like the last two eye creams I've tried, both balled up under makeup, and that doesn't work for me. Alright guys, we have one last product, and this is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Now, I'm very curious about this. It's apply to dry face, massage over skin, rinse clean. Okay, so you put it into your hands, add water, rub your hands together to create a lather, apply it to your face, massage it in, and then rinse it off morning and night. So I'm curious about this because a cream to a foaming cleanser, most foaming cleansers, unless you get one with like a foaming pump, start out as creams. So we'll see how this goes, and of course it's Glam Glow, so it's an odd color. It's this nice dark gray shade. You know, I have a little bit of water here. I'm just going to foam this up for fun. I always keep a water bottle in front of me, like constantly. My house probably has water bottles all over it half the time. So let me just add some water to this and see, will this foam up? I'm not seeing much foam here, so we'll see. I will try that and let you guys know what I think. I'm very picky on foam cleansers because a lot of them tend to dry my skin out way too much. And I've noticed a lot of the Glam Glow products in general tend to dry my skin out. So I will try it out. I'll let you guys know what I think. And if I can't use it, I will probably give it to my husband and let him use it, because usually anything that's too harsh for my skin is just fine for his. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this very quick January Sephora Play unboxing. hopefully I will be able to get my hands on this primerizer because I really wanted to try it. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also keep up with me on Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. All the links for those are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.